Bean Counter's new and improved website. Hard to believe my website began May 23, 2002, over 20 years ago. So what's new and improved? A total of 18 free online accounting and bookkeeping tutorials and courses are now offered on my new and improved Bean Counter website. 15 of the courses were designed and written by yours truly, Dave Marshall. The Bean Counter. Like the old Beatles song, I got a little help from a friend, not actually a friend, Professor Aldridge, for 2 courses: Cost Accounting Basics and Financial Accounting Basics, and 1 course, Financial Accounting, provided by Lumen Learning. I've also provided links to my sister sites and other sites providing free accounting and bookkeeping help. What's new? New courses and tutorials. Now, in addition to my 7 original So You Want to Learn Bookkeeping series tutorials, I've added the following new courses and tutorials: Bookkeeping Basics for Owners, Beginning Bookkeeping Mini Course, Beginning Bookkeeping Crash Course, Mastering Bookkeeping Basics. Computer Accounting, Business Decisions, Bookkeeping Explained, Bookkeeping Basics, Financial Accounting Basics courtesy of Professor Aldridge, Cost Accounting Basics courtesy of Professor Aldridge, Financial Accounting course courtesy of Lumen Learning. Links to my new sister sites have been added and recommendations to other useful bookkeeping sites. Insights. A quick bookkeeping insights section has been added. My accounting and bookkeeping insights provide a brief explanation and a basic understanding of accounting and bookkeeping concepts. Questions and answers. A questions and answers section using artificial intelligence has now been included, where you can get your questions answered. What's improved? Many additional videos about bookkeeping and accounting topics are now included. Many of my original tutorials have been improved by adding videos and additional quizzes. My bookkeeping test and questions section has many additional tests and quizzes. More accounting and bookkeeping tools and guides have been added.